Hello, this is my week 10 coding assignment for Ryan Foley. I am just going to quickly go through what the requirements were, what my code is, and then I will show you my website to show that it can actually do what it is supposed to do. So the instructions were to write code that accomplishes the objectives below here, which is to, using HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, create a single-page website that contains the following: a Bootstrap-styled table representing your choice of data, and a Bootstrap-styled form that allows a user to add a new row to the table when clicking on Submit. So I will go through my code here now in VS Code. So I have my HTML file here as well as my JavaScript file. And I did also make sure to install Bootstrap ahead of time. And thanks to our substitute instructor, he actually gave us a great website that has preloaded Bootstrap templates. I believe it's called Boot Switch. So he showed us that website where we can download Bootstrap templates and upload them to our VS Code to use for our website. So I did that. So I installed the preloaded template here in my link. And then down here, I have all of my code. So I have my header and body, and it says week 10 homework. And here I have the form itself that I created. And this would be if you were going to place an order for pizza. So I have the name here as well as the size of the pizza and toppings that you would want to put on the pizza. And then I put in the code here for an order button to be able to submit the order. And then I have a table ID here as well with the different classes, just to give it some more styling and to make it a little bit more interactive and interesting, aesthetically interesting. And I also have my table rows here with my headers that say order name, size, and toppings. And then I put in some sample data here as well just to get it started. And then down here below the table, I put in my script source of connecting my JavaScript file to my HTML files, so it'll actually show up when I open it in the web browser. And then when I click over into my JavaScript file here, I have my different function that I created called new order, where I'm using the get element by ID to actually call the different elements. And we have a function down here as well to actually create a new order and add that row by pulling all that data from that table. And then this button, this function down here for the order button as well. So, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward code, not a whole lot of coding there, but you can see that. And then when I minimize this and go into my browser, I already have this open. It shows week 10 homework here. Enter your information below. So I will put in some information: John, pizza size large, and then toppings pepperoni, and we'll do mushroom. And when I click submit order, John, large, pepperoni, and mushroom. So that is my website. Thank you.